Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest purchase. This is the Aztecs 423 Quick Clean Bigfoot seed tray. And as I do with all my purchases, I purchased this with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and just wants to get a better idea of what does it look like when it comes in. How does it work? Is it worth it? That kind of thing. So I've been really happy with Aztecs feeders. I use both their hummingbird feeders and their seed feeders. But what tends to happen, just like in this picture, is birds get here, they eat, they drop seed, falls on the ground, and basically squirrels just go down there and eat it. I'm trying to prevent that as much as possible, so I'm hoping this will help. This is a 12-inch diameter tray. Let's see. Let's get it open real quick. Got a lifetime warranty. It is a polycarbonate plastic. Pretty sturdy. Should last a long time. I did see some questions in there. I thought it said no on the questions, but it does have drain holes all the way around it. It's little holes here on the edges. So that's good. The question I saw said that there were no drain holes, that you could drill your own. That's not the case. So there are drain holes, nice and sturdy, and then you get some hardware to mount it. And that's what I'm gonna do now. So that's a quick unboxing. Let's get it mounted. Let's see if the birds like it. Let's see how it works. Okay, everybody, I thought it might be beneficial to walk you through the installation. So you only get two pieces of hardware. You basically get this kind of washer and then this metal screw or bushing. I did want to mention, it's kind of confusing. I'll put an image of both of these, or maybe you can see it if I just hold it still, and then you can pause the video. In one set of directions, it says to basically put the screw through the bottom, then the tray, and then put the washer between the tray and your feeder. Inside of the hardware, there's a second set of directions that says the opposite. It says put the screw in the bottom, then put the washer, then put the tray, and then put your feeder. I'll say this, either way works with my feeder. I've got one of the Aztecs 2-port quick release feeders. It's threaded in here, so no matter which way you do it, it's gonna work. But it's kind of weird that they give you two sets of directions that say totally different things. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm following the directions that are on the back, because to me it makes a little bit more sense. We're gonna put the screw through the bottom. We're gonna take the washer and go all the way down to the tray. I'm not gonna go too tight. I want it to be snug, but because it is plastic, I'm afraid if you go too tight, you might crack the plastic. Again, lifetime warranty, so I guess if that happens, then you contact them. Then I've got my feeder here, and all I'm gonna do is mount the feeder and tighten it to where I get it where I want it. Now, I will say this, if you're gonna be picky about where the holes line up and all that stuff, that's where the washer on the bottom kind of makes more sense, because you can go up higher or lower to tighten it, whereas in here you can't. But either way works. It's nice and snug, and it's ready to be put out. So let's put it out. Let's see if the birds like it. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this helpful, I'd appreciate a like on the section where you can like the video. Happy birding. Okay, everybody, I've got it hanging. And I've got some sunflower in my feeder. I have absolutely no seed that is on the tray. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it out here for a couple days, and then maybe we'll take a look at the tray and see how much seed it saved me from falling to the ground. And I'll try and get some footage of some birds using it if I get any action. Hey there everyone, so I've had the feeder out for about 2 days. And the good news is I've had some bird action. I've also had some rain. And as you can see, even with the rain, there's a little bit of water around the edges, but for the most part, it's all drained out. And in 2 days, that's the amount of seed that this tray has saved from going to the ground where other birds can eat it, or at least it keeps the shells off of the ground so it doesn't make as much of a mess. Anyway, it works pretty well. I hope this video helps. If you got any questions, let me know.